Discover the DOQAUS Meat Thermometer, your ultimate cooking companion. With lightning-fast 3-second temperature readings and precision accuracy, within 1 degree Celsius you'll achieve perfect results every time. Its large backlit screen rotates automatically for easy viewing in any lighting situation. The durable stainless steel probe responds instantly and reaches deep into thick cuts. Smart features like automatic on-off, temperature hold, and amount back make it convenient for busy kitchens. Easy to clean and built to last, this thermometer takes your cooking to the next level. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ThermoPro TP03H, the ultimate meat thermometer that combines lightning-fast accuracy and effortless usability. With a 10cm food-grade stainless steel probe, it delivers precise internal temperatures in just 1 to 3 seconds, accurate to within half a degree Celsius or 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Waterproof, easy to read even in low light, with a large backlit display and simple to store thanks holdable probe and magnetic back. Perfect for indoor or outdoor cooking, grilling, and more. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect skewers for all your culinary adventures? Introducing Chef Aid Skewers, made from 100% eco-friendly and biodegradable bamboo. These versatile and durable skewers are ideal for barbecues, grilling, baking, and making s'mores. Their smooth, splinter-free edges ensure safe handling, whether at home or in a professional kitchen. Plus, they're great for crafting projects too. Elevate your cooking experience with Chef Aid Skewers today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to keep your grill spotless? Meet the Weber Grill Brush, a 3-in-1 cleaning marvel. Its large round head cleans areas in a single sweep, while the built-in sharp scraper tackles stubborn residue effortlessly. Designed with a comfortable 45cm long anti-slip handle and made from rust-resistant stainless steel, this brush is durable and easy to maneuver. Say goodbye to messy cleaning and hello to more fun outdoors. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Looking for the perfect tool to elevate your grilling game? Check out the Ram 12-lead stainless steel barbecue skewers. These premium skewers feature a convenient ring tip handle for easy fingertip handling, making it simple to load meat and vegetables for your barbecue. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, they are eco-friendly, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. With a pack of 12 and a length of 30 centimeters, they're ideal for any cookout. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Stephen Bull Smiley Barbecue Spatula, the ultimate 7-in-1 grilling tool that will bring more fun to your barbecue. With its handmade wooden handle and sturdy, extra-thick construction, this long 17-inch spatula is designed for ease and safety, keeping your arms safe from heat. It combines many functions: spatula, meat turner, meat cutter, bottle opener, grill, skewer helper, and more, all in one friendly, reliable tool. Perfect for outdoor cooking and an excellent gift for grilling enthusiasts. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Euqvunn silicone brushes, your new favorite kitchen tool for healthier cooking. Made from 100% food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these brushes are safe, durable, and heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for baking, grilling, and roasting, they offer precise control and even oil distribution to create lighter, tastier meals. The seamless one-piece design ensures long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.